Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer doc uploads with Google Drive into Bubble. To begin transferring document uploads from Google Drive into Bubble, start by ensuring you have a Google Drive account and a Bubble account. Open Google Drive in your web browser. Locate the document you wish to transfer. Right-click on the document to access options. Select Get Link to retrieve the shareable link. In the sharing settings, ensure that the link sharing is set to anyone with the link. Copy the link provided. Next, log in to your Bubble account. Create a new application or open an existing one where you want to integrate the document. Go to the Data tab within your Bubble application. Create a new data type, perhaps named Documents. Add fields to this new data type according to the information you want to store. For example, you might add a field for the document title and another for the document URL. Now, head to the Design tab. Drag and drop an input element for the title of the document onto your page. Also, add a button labeled Upload Document. Next, you will set up a workflow for the button you just created. Click on the Workflows tab and select the button you just added. Choose to add a new action, then select Data and create a new thing. In the Type of Thing dropdown, select the newly created document's data type. Now, map the fields you established earlier, linking them to the corresponding input elements. For the document URL field, you'll need to input the Google Drive link. You can set this up to accept user input or automate it based on specific criteria. Next, ensure your page is designed for user interaction regarding document uploads. Add any necessary instructions or prompts for users to follow during the upload process. Once complete, preview your application to test the document upload functionality. Check the database to confirm that the document information is correctly stored. Adjust any design elements as necessary to enhance user experience. Finally, conduct thorough testing to ensure everything works smoothly before publishing your application. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.